Hi, my name is Bruce Bolger, and I'm founding director of the Brand Media Coalition, which is a group of leading brands and master fulfillment companies educating corporate America on the power of brands and engagement technologies. And in these programs, we introduce you in very quick 6 minute or so meetings as if you were at a trade show with the CEOs of leading suppliers and solutions in this field that you can bring to your clients or corporations can benefit from to engage people across the enterprise. Today, we're going to be meeting with CarltonOne Engagement, probably one of the largest worldwide suppliers of technology and rewards with products including Global Reward Solutions, the Evergrow Employee Engagement, the ESG platform, Power to Motivate for enterprise engagement, and the CART Employee Benefit platform. And we have with us today Rob Purdy. He's the founder and CEO who's going to take us through his business very quickly. Thanks a lot for joining us, Rob.
Yeah, thanks so much.
So, Rob, quickly tell us, what do you do?
Uh, we're a technology company really at heart and build technology across a number of different platforms, but it really all funnels off of one core nucleus. You can see by the mantra that we're really a company about making work mean more. And we distribute our technology through a global network of business partners that really help us to get to market and meet a lot of organizations around the world. We have over today several thousand customers and multi-millions of members using our platform on a daily basis.
And they support your rewards, recognition, savings, wellness. You cover every area of engagement.
We do, including even consumer loyalty and sales incentive programs as well.
So tell us about your different products.
Yeah, thank you. We built our first product in 2006 called Power to Motivate. It's a enterprise recognition platform that was followed in 2010 with Global Reward Solutions, and that is a product that really encapsulates reward delivery around the world. We ship rewards on a daily basis to more than 110 countries every day. We're shipping millions of orders every month. And these orders we allow companies to basically distribute rewards, whether it's merchandise, gift cards, travel services and solutions, mobile top up. All of these things are encapsulated into one single platform with an easy to connect API as well. Evergrow is our most recent launch it's a small medium business recognition platform. It has a very strong focus around eco action. We're really about creating purpose in what we do as an organization. And we added to the Evergrow platform and all our platforms a new product called CART, which is our shop and save product. We consider that to be a member benefit as part of all of our programs.
And CART enables me as an employee to go in and shop the world of all your merchandise and get and buy, basically very valued prices. And even I believe there's a credit. You can even get a credit line on that of some kind, Rob.
Yeah, you do get, in fact, the ability to buy now, pay later. There's a micro loan capability that's set up, and in North America, you can also extend that out to 1, 2, or 3 year payment options as well. It's also subsidized by us, so the loan rates are actually extremely competitive.
So essentially, you're creating a PX for America's employees. That's a great thing, Rob. So tell us the unique features. One of the things I've intrigued at is that you really do appear to have an enterprise engagement approach that you can address the critical levers of engagement on one platform. Kind of explain this, please.
Yeah, for sure. What we really do is consolidate every piece of capability up into what we call a multi-experience platform. And by that, what we mean is you can launch a program across any stakeholder group, whether it's an internal group, you can break it up by department. You can then launch a program across all sales teams, both internal, external teams, and ultimately even to end customers in creating loyalty programs. And each of those programs can be customized and you can create multiple views or windows. So each subgroup or department can have actually very well-defined programs within their own department that are different potentially to the corporate program as a whole. So this creates a lot of capability. And again, we provide AI personalization in there. So artificial intelligence tracks all the activity of the human behavior, ultimately feeding back that data. And then we use that with management to create again, the ability to send out notifications and encourage people to do more, do great things, help the business along. But at the same time, also sending them reward options based on shopping patterns for things that they have shown an interest in their travels within our site as well. We also include health and wellness, which is a really important component within our platform. We talked about financial services earlier, but that's a key point. We have pulse surveys. We have a community page where people can share information not only within the organization they work for, but across multiple organizations. We talk about things like our Eco Action program and share results of other organizations and how they're doing more to help again solve climate change.
So
We
this really is an ESG, excuse me, wrong slide. This really is an ESG engine. It appears that you've created a platform to support the S of ESG, and which is increasingly being called stakeholder capitalism. So what kind of metrics can you provide? A lot of companies are going to have to start reporting on employee turnover, wellness, what type of, and even diversity, equity, and inclusion. What kind of data can you provide company with your reporting, Rob?
Yeah, well, we have a really robust reporting solution. We've just rebuilt the entire platform. It currently has about 140 reports that are pre-built, but they can also be layered and customized based on what a client requires. When you talk about tracking sustainability, diversity, again, the entire workforce metric, all those things can be tracked within our system. Again, provided we're getting access to that data from our clients, which more often than not we do. And we can build that into, again, graphical dashboards that will be there for all of the management teams, and more importantly for the employees. The employees get to see their own dashboard, how their own metrics are doing, and how they stack up against their company goals and objectives. And that's really the purpose of our programs, is to keep the goals and objectives of the company front and center with the employees, and make that part of everyday work life at every organization we work with.
And that really is the rewards. At the end of the day, it's a return on investment of the company. Could you just give us a little bit of the type of ROI that companies can accomplish if they design and implement a program properly?
Yeah, I mean, we've tracked increases in sort of lower double digit. Typically, we're always getting some formal double digit achievement, but we've also seen some pretty significant numbers in the 30-40% range, where you look at employee retention rates, where you look at the cost benefit of not having to hire people in a high turnover environment and retrain, and you package those costs up, they're pretty significant. On the sales side, again, we track and measure all of the sales metrics, and we can show again ROI in terms of selling more goods and services out into the marketplace using our programs as well. Same thing applies to consumer loyalty, because we are able to build and track metrics around loyalty, which helps people immensely to know how their most valued, who the most valued customers are, how to reach them, and really what messaging are they most prone to responding to as well.
So at the end of the day, this is all about ROI, powering engagement across the enterprise, having a seamless experience, potentially tying all of your different stakeholders. And finally, that cart concept of having every company being able to have its own private exchange for employees. Rob, you guys are doing impressive work. So Rob, how do people contact you?
Yep, you can reach us at CarltonOne.com.
Well, there you go. Well, thank you very much, Rob, for your time today. And we'll be sharing this throughout the year with people who want to learn more about you, but don't have time to get on the plane for a trade show. Thanks again.
Thanks very much, Bruce. I appreciate it.